Breaking news coming in first up after that video that showed Punjab pastor Bajinder Singh attacking Republic reporter. Punjab police has assured action and said that he will be treated as per the law. The self-styled Punjab pastor Bajinder Singh, who appeared in the Mohali District Court, he already faces an investigation in a sexual harassment complaint. He is a self-professed miracle healer, and he who has been caught on camera several incidents of where he's gone on to lodge an attack. He also attacked Republic reporter. Now the Punjab police has assured action. Let's listen in to what Punjab DGP had to say.
देखिए, एज पर लॉ जो है हम हर मामले में कार्रवाई करते हैं, तो वॉट एवर इज मेड आउट एज पर लॉ विल द कॉम्पिटेंट अथॉरिटी विल टेक एप्रोप्रिएट एक्शन।
सर, क्योंकि इसमें वो महिलाओं को मारते हुए नजर आ रहा है, तो सर अभी तक कोई एक्शन नहीं हुआ है। मतलब
ये आप कंसर्न एसएसपी से बात कर लें। आई एम वेरी श्योर कि हमारी बहुत एक जिम्मेवार टीम है, तो जो एज पर लॉ जहाँ भी किसी भी केस में कोई कुछ बनता है तो वो कार्रवाई।
सर, इसी पास्टर पर जो कपूरथला में जो मामला है उसकी इन्वेस्टिगेशन जो आगे बढ़ी है, कहाँ तक गई है? क्योंकि उसमें भी
ये इन्वेस्टिगेशन हो रही है, इस इन्वेस्टिगेशन मेरिट बेस्ड हो रही है, तो मैं इसमें डीआईजी जलंधर रेंज को कहूँगा कि वो ब्रीफ कर दें, जो भी एविडेंसेस हैं वो रिकॉर्ड पे लेके उनके अनुसार ही आगे हम कार्रवाई। देखिए, एज पर लॉ जो है हम हर मामले में कार्रवाई करते हैं, तो वॉट एवर इज मेड आउट एज पर लॉ विल द कॉम्पिटेंट अथॉरिटी विल टेक एप्रोप्रिएट एक्शन।
सर, क्योंकि इसमें वो महिलाओं को मारते हुए नजर आ रहा है, तो सर अभी तक कोई एक्शन नहीं हुआ है। मतलब
ये आप कंसर्न एसएसपी से बात कर लें। आई एम वेरी श्योर कि हमारी बहुत एक जिम्मेवार टीम है, तो जो एज पर लॉ जहाँ भी किसी भी केस में कोई कुछ बनता है तो वो कार्रवाई।
सर, इसी पास्टर पर जो कपूरथला में जो मामला है उसकी इन्वेस्टिगेशन जो आगे बढ़ी है, कहाँ तक गई है? क्योंकि उसमें भी
ये इन्वेस्टिगेशन हो रही है, इस इन्वेस्टिगेशन मेरिट बेस्ड हो रही है, तो मैं इसमें डीआईजी जलंधर रेंज को कहूँगा कि वो ब्रीफ कर दें, जो भी एविडेंसेस हैं वो रिकॉर्ड पे लेके उनके अनुसार ही आगे हम कार्रवाई।
Punjab police there assuring strict action, and this is in regard with the pastor case where, remember, as soon as Republic tried confronting the self-styled pastor, that is when he attacked Republic. The Punjab police has taken cognizance of the same and has said that everything will be followed by law, and that the pastor will be taken into account by law just in case anything is found. The case is about the pastor being inside the bars after he was accused of sexual harassment in the case, in a 2018 case. Today, when he was produced in the court, when Republic tried to confront him, that is when he attacked Republic. The confrontation is there on cameras. Punjab police has taken cognizance of the same. Lalit, my colleague, is joining me live on that top story. Lalit, the Punjab police has taken cognizance of the attack that the pastor had done on Republic. What is it that the Punjab police is further looking into the case at?
When we had a word with the DGP Punjab, Mr. Gaurav Yadav, he said that the action would be taken as per the law. So, in that present case in which he could be seen assaulting a woman, the video which has gone viral, in that case also he has said that the concerned district in Jalandhar, the SSP would be taking necessary action as per the law. So, very clearly he said that no one is above law and action would be taken as per the law. In the Kapurthala rape victim case and in the 2018 sexual harassment case which has been filed in the Zirakpur district court, in which there was a non-bailable warrant issued against the pastor Bajinder Singh.
Right.
Today he was produced in the court where when Republic TV tried to talk to him, when Republic TV confronted him, he pushed the Republic TV team, but Republic TV tried to kept on asking the tough questions to the pastor Bajinder Singh. Back to the studio.
Lalit, thank you very much for sharing those details. We'll keep coming back to you as and when there are updates in the story. But for